Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a tooltip to the elements of our site using the Elementor page builder and the Happy Add-ons for Elementor plugin. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Happy Add-ons, and this is the one we are going to use. Happy Add-ons for Elementor will allow us to add some extra options to the Elementor page builder. We click on install now, then on activate, and we go to the top name of the site and we are going to click on visit site. And then on the top bar we are going to click on edit with Elementor. There we go. Now if we click on an element, for example this image right here, and we click on the Advanced tab, we have an options Happy Tooltip. We click on that and we enable the tooltip, click and on, and as you can see we hover over the image and we have a tooltip on the top. Now we have two options, setting and styles, and on the content we can change what the tooltip shows, as you can see, and we have the option for position, top, bottom, left and right. We are going to use the bottom one there, and we can select a few animations. Of course we cannot use them if that is what we want, but I am going to use for the example the fade in. We can change the duration. We are going to add it on 2 seconds. There we go. And now we can select the trigger to be on a click or on the hover of the image. Now we can change the distance between the image and the tooltip here. We are going to use maybe 10 px. There we go. And now we can change the alignment of the text on the tooltip on the different resolutions. Also can be done for the distance. And now we are going to move to the style, and here we can change the width of the tooltip. We can make it a little bit longer or narrow. There we go. Now we are going to go with 125 for the example, and the size of the tooltip arrow, we are going to pick a 2, maybe that's a little bit too small, with a 5px, and we can change the typography, family size. We can add some weight to it, transform the text, add some style, put in a book, add a decoration, change the line height and the spacing of the letter as well. We can change the color of the background of the tooltip, but I think the black one works pretty well. And the color for the text, as you can see, we are going to go with the white, and we can change the radius of the tooltip. If we want it to be more square or round, we can add, for example, 30px to the border radius and it will be more rounded. We can add padding, and this can be done in an overall fashion or by the different values top, right, bottom and left. And we can add some box shadow as well, for example some blue to the tooltip, and we can change the spread, vertical, horizontal, the outline and the color as well. And if we go back to settings and we disable the arrow option, there's a note here that says by tapping the arrow to hide you can access to more background control. So we are going to hide it. As you can see, there is no more arrow. If we move to style, we can select the background type to be a gradient or an image if we want to as well. So we are going to choose an image. We are going to use the same image as here, as you can see. And now we can select a few options: the position, the default, center, center, center left, right, top center, top left, top right, bottom center, left and right, or custom position. And we can select it to move between the different axes, Y and X axis. But in this case we are going to use the center, center, and the attachment could be scroll, fix, or default, and it can be repeated on the Y axis, X, repeat, no repeat, or default. And for the size you can select different options, but I think the custom is the best one because we can see the complete image if we want, or if we choose to reduce the width, we can see the repeat options we have added. As you can see, the image is repeating itself on the X axis. But we are going to go with 100% width, and now we can change the text color in the same manner. Add a border, solid, double dotted, dashed, and group. We are going to go with the solid. In this case we had added 1px width overall, as you can see, and with a black color for the border. It can be more pronounced if we add 2px, as you can see. And now we have a tooltip with the very image that it's working on as background for the tooltip itself. So it's nice. I think it looks quite good. Now, once we have made all the configurations we want on our tooltip, we need to save them by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have learned how to add a tooltip to the elements of our site using the Elementor page builder and the happy add-ons for Elementor plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.